This humongous box was sitting on my porch. I came home from running my errands, and it is from Sweet Southern Signs. She's on Instagram. I will leave her down in the description box, but let me open this and share it with you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Okay. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Sweet Southern Signs. And Jenny, we hope you love your new sign as much as we enjoyed making it. Feel free to give your followers a discount code that is good until 2/28, code Craftomaniac10. Thank you, Courtney, Sweet Southern Signs. You guys. So this is what I sent her. I sent her my measurements. I sent her what I wanted it to say. So now it's going to go in my laundry room, and I'm going to take you guys down there and share how it looks all hung up. I love good packaging. She had corner protectors on all the corners, the thick bubble wrap, and she had it in the box. Does it wrap with a jute twine, her business tag, and then a cute message to me. So, are you guys ready? So I'm going to take you guys downstairs and share it with you guys, since obviously we know it's in the laundry room. So let's go downstairs. So let's go see. I swear by this stuff. I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and it is awesome. It's better than like the Oxy stuff you get at Walmart or Target. And I literally bought this jar at the dollar store as well, and I just poured the whole container in it. It comes with a scoop. So you just put 1 scoop in your washer with a scoop of your detergent, or if you do liquid, in your drawer. And time to do some laundry. I was so pumped. I literally found my very first piece of ironstone pottery, and it's this picture by Hager. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but I found it at my local thrift store for $10. I also thrifted this adorable little wood stool at my same thrift store that I always go to, and it was $2, and it just has my laundry detergent and that Oxy detergent, Oxy booster that I shared with you guys a little bit ago. And then I scored another ironstone pitcher just this weekend when my in-laws were visiting. My mother-in-law and I and my daughter Bella, we all went to Gypsy Emporium. I talk about them on Instagram and Instagram stories. And I found another ironstone pitcher, and I also got this one for $10. Well, that is going to wrap up today's laundry room update with the new laundry room sign. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and or subscribe, and I will see you guys again in a new video. Thanks for tuning in. Love you guys. Bye!